Kenya Police mandikithirio hotani wao wa keeri thutha gukunika Moshi Kalsa kuma bũrũri wa Tanzania na bao 10 gwa gĩbũgũ. Gũkũ nao Butali Sugar makiuma kabati ya bao 2-2 na Exchequers ya kuma bũrũri wa Ghana. Coach Airafu Iciciere makionania kwa kũiganĩra na imwana ciao.
Tough match, but I think we should have won it. I think we totally outplayed them. We missed many chances. 10 short corners. I think 1 goal. We really need to work on that and improve on that. But playing wise, I think we played well. Just missed chances.
On the bench, I was just a bit confused why the guys were sitting back because I keep screaming at them. We need to keep the ball and pass the ball. Our opponents were tired. We were tired. We are better off when we have possession and passing, and that's what we are good at.
Ngucanio ingĩ Police Machine kuma bũrũri wa Nigeria makunekire Ghana Revenue Authority na bao 4-3. Mwena-inĩ wa airĩtu Blazers mahotire Strathmore na bao 1 gwa gĩbũgũ ngucanio-inĩ rĩu makĩharũo-inĩ gĩa City Park. Ngucanio ici nĩ itanyĩtwo gũthiĩ na mbere mũthenya wa rũciũ o iharo-inĩ ici cierĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ng'ang'a Mwanyokabi.